Organization of life, I will define it, I don't want to write it down. Organization of life can be defined as the arrangement of the existence of an organism right from unicellular to multicellular. Is the arrangement of how living organism existed from unicellular to multicellular. What is the meaning of unicellular? Unicellular organisms are organisms with one cell, while multicellular are organisms with more than one cell, and this organism with two or more cells. So organization of life talks about how life is being arranged right from the lowest to the highest. So in organization of life, the lowest level that we have is cell. When cell combine together, it form TU. When TU combine together, it form organ. When organ combine together, it form system. When system combine together, it form organism. So this means cell plus cell. This means TU plus TU. This means organ plus organ. This means system plus system. So, as you all know, cell is the basic social and functional unit of life. So, if I'm asked that what are the four levels of organization of life? What are the four levels of organization of life? Number one, cell. Number two, tissue. Number three, organ. Number four, system. And if they ask for five, number five, organism. So there's a way I can still extend it back because when organisms combine together, they form population. When population combine together, they form community. When community combine together, it forms biomass. So and when biomass combine together, it forms ecosystem. So that is really social and functional unit of life. That's for the number one. An example of example of set of specimen, or let me say species that are found at the cell level. Now, organisms that are found at the level of cell, they are all those unicellular. Don't forget. Here, if TU is combination of cell, I hope you get my point now. It means TU is more than one cell, it's multicellular. Ordinary cell means that it is singular. So all the unicellular organism falls under this. And what are those organisms? All the protists. All the protists. If you don't know the protists, check my videos on protists. That is protista. So example of protista, they are amoeba. We have euglena, we have chlamydomonas, we have paramecium, we have diatoms, chlorella, all protists. You see, if I'm asking an exam that, that what are the example of organisms that falls under cell as a level of organization, I don't have to waste my time. The first thing that will just come to my mind is all protista. All protista are what? They are cell, that is, they are unicellular. We just come and pick them. Amoeba, euglena, chlamydomonas, paramecium, diatoms, and chlorella. All these organisms falls under cell. So talking about TU, TU is the combination of similar cell. Is the combination of similar cell to perform the same function. Very, very simple. TU is the combination of similar cell to perform similar function. Now, without leaving there, don't forget that another example of cell, another example of cell is another example of cell is red blood cell, white blood cell. You can see them. We also have platelets, which is also known as that is thrombocyte. Yes, platelets, platelets. So red blood cell, white blood cell, platelets. Red blood cell is known as erythrocyte. White blood cell is known as leukocyte. Platelet is known as thrombocyte. These three combines together. You can see these three are cells. Now, TU is the combination of similar cells to perform similar functions. For example, look at it. When all this, red blood cell, white blood cell, platelet, they are all blood. These are the cellular part of blood. That is, these are the part of blood that are cell. So if you are hearing blood cell means red blood cell. It means white blood cell. It means platelets. When all these three, look at it, cell plus cell plus cell, it does not mean, provided that it's more than one cell, it has become a tissue. So when all these combine together, they form blood. So in a nutshell, it means that blood is not a cell, rather blood is a what? Is a tissue. Another one is we have muscle tissue as well. We have muscular tissue, muscular tissue, muscular tissue. We are talking about muscular tissue. We are talking about the connective tissue, the muscular tissue. We have the nervous tissue, and so on and so forth. For example, now the muscular tissue is made up of muscular cells. The blood is made up of blood cells. So it means that for every tissue, when you break them down, they will become cell. So that's it. So if I have, let's say, for example, now skin is an organ. So it means that for skin to be formed, it means that skin has tissue. And if I break skin to its lowest, I will call this skin cell. Did you understand? So now, when tissue combine together, the combination of cell tissue to perform similar function is called organ. For example, if brain cell, which is called nerve cell, combine together, we will call them nerve tissue. When nerve tissue combine together, they will form brain. Now don't forget, brain is a what? Organ. Break brain down, you will go to tissue. What is tissue? Nerve tissue. When you break nerve tissue down, you go to cell. What is the cell? Nerve cell. I hope you understand. So blood is a tissue. When you break tissue down, you go to cell. So if I break blood down, I'll go to cell. What are the cells? Red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets. So for the system, for example, imagine if brain, if nerve cell could combine together to form nerve tissue, and nerve tissue combine together to form brain, then definitely brain can become a system. And what is that system? Nervous system. I hope you can see that it's very simple. So cell combines together to form tissue, tissue combines together to form organ combines together to form system. So when we're talking about system, so if you have example of cell, you can write as many as you can. Example of tissue, blood is a tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue, and so on and so forth. Example of organ, you have to remember example. If you have example of organ, you can easily or quickly remember the five sense organ: the eyes, the nose, the tongue, the um the ear, the skin. So these are very good. The brain. So and the next one is the organism. So talking about this, talking about the system, if you have an example of system, just write as many system as you know. Excretive system, respiratory system, nervous system, reproductive system, transpiratory system, which is also known as circulatory system, and so on and so forth. So when you are asked, so it means that when system now combine together, you form organism. So organism is combination of systems. So write as many systems as possible. Now, it simply means that when systems combine together, they form organism. So the combination of systems is actually refers to as organism. So in summary, cell combine together to form tissue. So cell is the basic structural function unit of life. So tissue is the combination of similar cells to perform similar function. Organ is the combination of similar tissue to perform similar function. System is the combination of similar organ to perform similar function. Why organism is the combination of several systems to perform the most vital roles of life, because this is the highest level of this sports or I mean of organization. So talking about the system, as you can see, the system, for example, look at digestive system now. Digestive system comprised of many organs. Number one, the mouth, the esophagus or the gullet, the stomach, move down to duodenum, from duodenum to ileum, from ileum to caecum, from there to rectum, anus, and so on and so forth. So that is digestive system. So and these are the level of organization. So the next one we'll be looking at is the cell itself.